Release tissue thromboplastin, injured tissue. Calcium present. Thrombokinase. Thrombo. Thrombokinase or prothrombinase. Thrombokinase or prothrombinase. Thrombokinase or prothrombinase. Thrombokinase or prothrombinase. Or scum. It is a series of station. Blood involved the next. Okay, coagulation of blood involves a cascade system where product of one and act as catalyst for another. 13 factors are uses. Lymph tissue fluid. Lymph colorless fluid clotting very slow storehouse of WBC. Lymph is storehouse of WBC. Lymph is clotting very slow colorless fluid. From heart and ends in tissue. Veins originated in tissue or capillaries. Veins originated in tissue or areolas. Storehouse of WBC acts as middleman between cell and tissue, blood and plasma. It drains back into major vein, subclavian. It drains back into major vein called subclavian. Blood vessels. Artery originated in heart and ends in tissue capillaries. Artery originated in heart and ends in tissue capillaries. Vein originated in tissue capillaries and ends in heart. Artery. Tunica externa. Tunica media. Tunica interna or intima. Tunica media thick, lumen small, blood pressure high, flow of blood discontinuous, valve absent. Okay. Artery or veins or tinta layer thake, tunica externa, tunica media and tunica interna or intima. Artery vein, tunica media thick, tunica interna thin, lumen small, blood pressure. Artery, tunica media thick, blood pressure high, lumen small, flow of blood discontinuous, valve absent. Artery, tunica media thick, blood pressure high, Flow of blood discontinuous and lumen small artery. Vein, tunica media thin, lumen large, blood pressure decrease, flow of blood continuous and valve present. Tunica externa made up of fibrous collagen, tunica media, smooth muscles and elastin fiber, tunica interna endothelium and elastin fiber. Endothelium and artery vein. Tunica media thick, small lumen, blood pressure high, valve absent. Valve absent. Tunica media thick, small lumen, blood pressure high, valve absent. Valve absent. Tunica media thick, small lumen. Media thick, small lumen, blood pressure high, valve absent. Valve absent, and flow of blood continuous. This I know for sure. Tunica externa made up of fibrous collagen, tunica media, smooth muscles and elastin fibers, tunica externa, endothelium and elastin fiber. Okay. Memory cells and plasma cell, IgM, memory cell, IgG. IgM largest, IgG smallest. Okay, major veins, subclavian. Tunica externa, fibrous collagens. Tunica media, smooth muscles and elastin fiber. Tunica media, smooth muscles and elastin fibers. Tunica interna, endothelium and elastin fiber. Car. Tunica externa made up of fibrous collagen, tunica media, smooth muscle and elastin fibers. Tunica externa, fibrous collagen, tunica media, smooth muscle and elastin fibers. Tunica media, smooth muscle and elastin fiber. Tunica interna, endothelium and elastin fiber. Portal system originated in capillaries and ends in capillaries. Blood vessels involve portal veins. Type of hypophyseal portal system and hepatic portal system. Portal system and hepatic portal system. Hypophyseal portal system between hypothalamus and anterior pituitary. Hypophyseal portal system. Hypophyseal portal system between hypothalamus and anterior pituitary. Hepatic portal system between intestine and liver. Okay. Portal system is originated from capillaries and ends in capillaries. Two types of hypophyseals and hepatic. Hypophyseal originating in hypothalamus and ends in anterior pituitary. Hepatic originated between intestine and liver, between intestine and liver, hepatic between intestine and liver.